fishing contest, you will want at least 10 fishing. You will want garlic, at least 10 coin, fishing rod, spade, at least 2 teleports on a combat bracelet, and either a teleport to your house to get to this house portal over here, or a redirection tab to Taverley, or a games necklace to teleport to Birthrope. And to start the quest, you talk to this dwarf here, and the chat options are 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. So after you talk to him, you want to teleport to the Ranging Guild and then head north. You want to head around here and go through this loose railing. If you are low level, you may want to bring some food because there are some guard dogs. Head over here and check find. I'd get probably at least 3. You probably only need 1, but I'd get 3. Then head back to the Ranging Guild. Go through this door. Talk to Grandpa Jack, and chat options are 2, 1. Then you head over here. Go through the gate. Then you'll want to use your garlic on this pipe right here. Pay Bonzo. Then head over here. Catch this. Talk to Bonzo again. Chat option is 1. And then you wait for the contest to be over. And you should win. Teleport to your house or Birthrope or however you're getting over here. Run up here, talk to the dwarf again, and quest should be complete.